Kaya nga ma-amaze ka. Dumaan ako sa gilid niyan. Yung bato na yan. Grabe. Hindi ko kaya nagawa ko. Oh my God. Ito ang pinakamahirap sa lahat ng bundok na naakyat ko. More to go. Hi, good morning mga ka-amazing. Ayan, so update po tayo for today's ganap. So I am now heading to my second trail here in the island of Hawaii. It's called Mount Olomana. So this is the third from the first trail that I took yesterday. Sa mga extreme na mga trail, ito ang pangatlo. So I'm so excited because they said it's a very nice trail compare yesterday, and this trail has 3 peaks. So that's why, and those, oh, what is it? There's a Philippine flag here. Okay, they said na wow, ang ganda. They said with all those 3 peaks, minsan lang daw, isa lang daw yung kinukuha nila kasi di na nila kaya yung pangalawa at pangatlo. So let's see kung kaya ko bang i-conquer yung 3 peaks dun sa Mount Olomana Trail today. So hopefully pagdating ko dun sa area, maganda na yung panahon because see, look at that, makulimlim, tapos may mga kunti-kunting ulan. Sabi pa nga nila, delikado daw kasi madulas. Isanay naman ako doon kasi sa Pinas, every time ako nagka-climb sa mga Musi Forest, so expected na yung basa-basa talaga yung mountains. So ayan. So I'm so excited guys. Keep watching. So yan guys, no? Wow! Tignan mo nga yan! Sumasabay. So I went already to the jump off area. Wala palang parking lot. So babalik ako dun sa along the highway. Kaya pala ang dun yung mga sasakyan. So lalakarin ko pa to papunta dun sa jump off area. So ayan guys. Ang ganda, at least man lang gumanda na yung panahon. Wala pa naman akong dalang raincoat kagaya dyan sa Pinas na pag maakyat tayo ng bundok, ready. So wala akong dalang raincoat, walang payong. So salamat Lord, wala nang ulan, gumaganda na yung panahon, lumiwanag na, and hopefully safe tayo sa pag-akyat natin sa Olomana, Mount Olomana. See you.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, pahirapan din pala yung paghanap ng parking lot. Oh. So yan, FitRev, ano to, t-shirt namin dun sa plyometric exercise. Diyan kay Coach Manny. Hi. Suot ko pa yung FitRev natin na uniform. So ayun guys, I'm so excited. Grabe ang layo nito, parang more than miles, 2 miles yung lalakarin ko papunta dun sa jump off. Kaya pala naglalakad ang mga tao. Wala palang parking lot dun sa sa area talaga nung sa jump off area ng trail. So ayan lang. Aja. Bye. Hi and guys, no. So from the parking lot, ang layo pa ng lalakarin ko. Yang tuktok na yan, yang bundok na yan, isa yan sa 3 peaks. Ayan. So yung iba lang is natabunan ng fog. So, I'm so excited! Oh! Ang feel na feel ko pa yung pananakit ng katawan ko because of yesterday. So, ayan no. Diba? Ayan guys. Oh my god. It's raining. And I didn't bring any plastic bag to cover my phone. Shoots. Okay. Grabe yung nature. Parang mas nature pa to sa Pinas. Grabe. Ang linis. The green color of the trees and grasses. And also the sounds of the birds. And the breeze on the leaves. So nice. Ayan guys. Papasok na ko ngayon sa jump off. See? It's Olomana Trail. Fatal fall between second and third peak. Fatal fall between second and third peak. Fatal fall at or near the third peak. So, don't die. LOL. So, ayan, may mga, at least, no, may mga description sila saang part ng trail mas easy at saang part ng trail mas difficult. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. So ayan guys, no, again for long years, I think it's 3/24/25, it's more than 3 years. Again, this is my first yesterday is the first time to get back to this kind of activity, and I'm so happy because I am in the other part of the world, so I'm not in the Philippines anymore. So but you know what, it has similarities in terms of the trails, the mountains, because as you all know, this is also a tropical place, a state. And see, the plants, the trees, it has similarities with our plants and trees there in the Philippines. Whew. So I'll show you the trails. Oh. See, look at that. So difficult. And ta-da! Look at that mountain. It's so amazing. Ooh.
May I show you?
Come on up, Toner.
Yeah. Oh, that's easy.
Tony, go. Come on. I'll take a picture of you.
Diba? Madulas yung mga bato. So careful. The good thing is at least ready tayo today. And napakaganda. see? Look at the trail. Napakahirap nito. Tapos ang taas. Doon pa yung tuktok. And sa harap guys, look at that. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niyan. See? That's more extreme than this. So hopefully next summer I can still visit Hawaii and I will do more trails.
Went up the rest of the way. And then, yeah, it was about, took
Ooh.
me 12 hours, so at 3, I was like, where's this bunch of frogs?
So look at the trail. Guys. So yan yung sinasabi nila na kailangan mo ng lubid. You really need a rope kasi napakahirap. See? So pag walang lubid, kaya mo ba yan? Oh shoot. Grabe. Tignan mo yan, yan yung trail. Napakahirap. See? Hindi ko talaga lubos maisip na dito ko pala sa Hawaii may experience yung mountain climb again. Ang ganda. So, tapos yung paakyat, tignan nyo. Yan, napaka-assault. Hi Sir Ray. Hi Sir Rolly. Ayan. After 3 years, almost 4 years, I'm back to my hobbies. Ayan. And welcome to Hawaii. This is one of the best mountain trail here in Oahu, Hawaii. Shoot. Look at that trail. Ang galing. Look at the view. See? And iPhone 16 Pro Max. Ganyan siya mag-zoom. So, ito yung trail, di ba? Nakaka-amaze guys. So, huwag gayahin. Grabe. Look at that. Oh my God. Dapat tayong maniguro dito. Shoots. Look at the trail.
Yeah.
That's amazing. It looks like in the Jurassic Park. That's amazing. Yay! We're almost in the first peak. As I said a while ago, there are 3 peaks, and we're almost in the first one. Shoot! That's very high. Look at that. See? You see? He easily climbed that one. Oh, I'm so sad. Ayan guys. So I'm so happy I was able to conquer the first peak. But we still have more. That is the second one. That one. And that is the third one. So if meron din tayong Kulago dyan, Mount Kulago, but this is more extreme. Look at that. Kung meron tayong buko-buko sa Anay, that is more extreme than buko-buko sa Anay. Look at that. Very steep and thin yung daan. Grabe. So, ayan. Hi once again to my friends Rolly and Ray. Sa mga La Familia dyan. Hi and what's up? I'm back to my hobby. Mountain climbing. Guys. Tignan nyo to. Wow. Look at that. Shoots. Grabe. See? Parang yan yung always nating nakikita sa moving Jurassic Park. Yan. Similar niya yung view niya. Oh my God. This is so amazing. Yung sunscreen pumupunta sa mata ko. Once again, this is Mount Olomana. Yeah. Here in Oahu, Hawaii. Ang ganda. See? Woo! Insta 360. This is what iPhone 16 Pro Max got. 1, 2, 3, and 1. See, tignan nyo yan. Bangin na dyan sa gilid. Bangin siya sa gilid. So napaka-stiff ng daan at saka napaka-thin ng daan. Oh shoot, look at that. Oh. Wala pa pala. Yan. Grabe. Is this the peak already? Not yet.
Not yet. You
Oh.
have to pass here, then you go to the first.
Wow. Thank you. Wow. Shoot. Oh my god. Again and again. Hawaii is paradise. Look at this. Yesterday, I've conquered one of the extreme mountain trail here in Oahu, Hawaii. And that's the Koko Crater Tram Trail. And today, I took another challenge. This is the Mount Olumana. And look at this, guys. 360 view here at the top. So I'm so happy. I'm back to my hobby way back when I'm still in the Philippines. That's almost 4 years. I've never been to this kind of activity again until yesterday and today. I'm so happy. Lord God, thank you for always blessing me with strength, power, and perseverance of doing things that really makes me happy. Hi to my family in the Philippines. Yeah, I'm in Hawaii. Woo! Once again, La Familia, Rolly, Punabong, Ray, sa lahat ng mga La Familia members, Nikki, Pame, and sa lahat-lahat. Peak of Mount. So nice. Okay, so from this side you can really see the ocean, the turquoise color of the ocean, and on the other side looks like Jurassic Park. Looks like similar to that park. What? So I'm trying my best. Maybe first is the second one. Yeah. So now guys, I'm done taking some good views, photos here in first peak of the Mount Olumana. So we'll be heading to the second peak. That's the second peak, and that's the third peak. So ayan, so atcha guys. I know I can do this.
You can see how the rock on
Oh. So we're now heading to the second peak. So yan. Tandahan na tayo guys. See? Bangin. Sa kabila, bangin. So, tayo. Ayan. I know we can do this. Woo! Oh my god, look at that. Ah, look at that. Oh my god, bangin. Hulog ka guys, bangin lang. Napakataas. Touchable. Good things, may mga lubid. Guys, look at that. See? Bangin na yan. Napakalalim. Whew. This is insane. Look at this trail. Oh my god. So, dahan lang. See, nakababa na tayo sa first peak and we're now climbing the second peak of the Mount Olumana. So ayun guys, no, off muna natin yung video kasi para makapag-concentrate tayo sa pag-akyat kasi as everybody knows, this is a difficult trail and you need to take it seriously. So see you, keep watching. So ayan, yung mga lubid. Kakayanin. So ayan guys, kakababa ko lang dun sa second peak. And now, we're now heading to the last peak, the third peak, which is yung pinaka-extreme. Totoo talaga yung sinabi nila. Grabe. Hopefully, hindi lumakas yung ulan kasi parang umaambon na. So, but still, I'm praying to God that He will guide me. Kasi parang ako na lang yung isang natira dito guys. So, again, andito na ako sa Hawaii. So ikakangkri ko talaga tong challenge na to. Bye bye. Ayun guys, hindi pa ako nagkalahati papunta dun sa peak ng pangatlong peak. Grabe, I'm so happy, parang nawala yung ulan. Parang God really guides me. Ayaw kong mabigo. This is one in a lifetime experience lang, no? At least man lang kung babalik ko dito sa Hawaii, ibang bundok na yung aakitin ko, hindi na ako babalik dito. Kaya kailangan ko talaga makonquer ang peak, ang third peak ng Mount Olumana Mountain Trail. Grabe. In my whole life, this is the most difficult. I've went already to the highest mountain of the Philippines, second highest, 6 and 8, but grabe to. Grabe ang worst. See, look at that. Yan yung dinaanan ko. Grabe. At tignan mo nga yan. See, yan lang yung dadaanan mo. Bangin-bangin talaga, magkabilaan yung bangin. So, I am praying na safe ako, makarating ko dun sa taas. Bye bye. Ayan nga, ma-amaze ka. Dumaan ako sa gilid niyan. Yung bato na yan. Grabe. Hindi ko kaya nagawa ko. Oh my God. Ito ang pinakamahirap sa lahat ng bundok na naakyat ko. More to go. Ayan guys. And finally, naabot ko na yung peak ng pangatlong bundok. So I'm now in the third peak of Mount Olumana Mountain here in Oahu, Hawaii. Ayan guys. So I'm so happy. So ayan, pinasok ko talaga yung pinakadulo-dulo para naman masabi ko talaga na andito na talaga ako sa peak. So punta tayo dun sa pinakaharap. So ayan. See? Look at that. Oh, nagpag. Nakabalot ng pag yung pinakaano. See? Hawaii is paradise. Oh. Yan, this side. This is the third peak. It's the second one. Ayan. Nagbalot nga siya ng fog. And yung mataas na tulis. It's there. That's the first one. And I am in the third peak of Mount Ulumana Mountain. Wow, look at the ocean. Ayan guys. And finally, I am in the third peak of Mount Ulumana Mountain here in Hawaii. Woo! This is so nice. This is a very nice experience in celebration of the Independence Day of the United States of America. Woo! Happy 4th of July, everyone! Ayan, ang ganda! Woo! See? So dami-daming nag umakyat. So hanggang first peak lang sila. So this is the third peak and I'm so happy and proud. Ayan! Woo! I conquer one of the best trail here in Hawaii. Look at that, the view. Oh my God. See? Woo! Hi everyone. So, see? Everything is the same with Philippines. Even Maya, the Maya bird. Look at that. See, we have a lot of these in our rice fields. The Maya birds. Woo! So nice. Nakakatuwa. Kahit yung falcata tree, andyan. Everything is here. We have everything. What you can see in the Philippines, you can also witness that one here in Hawaii.